Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're on my channel, I'm Akanksha. I am standing right here, I'm not sitting, which means it is fall time and it's getting chilly outside. It's almost winter, it's the favorite time of the year for me. I hate monsoons and I can tolerate summers, but winter is my favorite season. Also because it does not get like extremely cold in Hyderabad, it's very manageable and I love the weather. Such chill vibes, I love it. So I have a lot of stuff I bought from Amazon winter collection. They have from sweatshirts to jackets to pajamas to socks to beanies, you name it, and they have it. So I bought a lot of things from them. If you're interested to check any of the products out, of course they'll be linked in the description box. You can check out Amazon winter collection. That being said, I'm excited to show you what all I bought. I bought a lot of like regular winter pieces which I don't have in my wardrobe and I really needed them. So let's get started. So okay, this is the first one. I got a purple sweatshirt. The color is so pretty and so comfortable. It's very soft in nature. It's not a very thick sweatshirt where it would like keep you kind of warm if you're like under 15 degrees or something. But 20-25, this is very manageable and I really like it. It's soft and comfortable. I usually go with oversized sweatshirts, but this is a slim fit but also looks pretty decent. I mean, it's exactly my size. But given an option, I would love to wear something loose so I can do like a step up. Most of the things I bought are a medium except for one. Also, all the prices will be on the screen, the price MRP and the price I got for on discount on Amazon. So this is the first piece. I actually bought a lot of sweatshirts because sweatshirts are those things, especially in winter, you can just put them on and you're good to go. You don't have to think a lot about anything. So I just bought like different colors of sweatshirts honestly, and this is from like a brand called Symbol and I really like it. It's comfortable, the sleeves are nice, the length is nice. See, Sachai. Probably my makeup will not go with any of these outfits because I just feel one like Indian kind of look and looks like this and does not go with like a cool sweatshirt kind of swag. But this is the first one. Moving on. Oh my god, how cute is this color? I really like it. Such a, I don't know how to describe this, this peachy, orangey, pastel orange. It's so pretty, especially with the jeans. It looks super cute. So this is also from the same brand as the previous one, Symbol. But I think the model is different because that was like a little longer one and this is shorter. It has a little bit of band in the bottom and kind of is a like not completely crop but not as full as that one. I don't know how to explain, and it's super cute. I love the color. Oh my god, how pretty. So the one I bought before this, the purple one, it's just like a normal cloth. It does not have anything like insulated or anything inside which kind of keeps you warm, but this one has this layer of that warm thing. I don't know what you call this. Please help me if you know. Let me know in the comments what you call this layer. So they have this inside which keeps you more warm. That's why this feels a lot more thicker than that one that's like very slim. This is more stiffer, thicker and keeps you more warm, and I really like this one over that one especially. I think I will take the same color in this one if there's an option, and this is so cute. Okay, the next one I have is a black bomber jacket. Black bomber jacket I think is kind of a wardrobe staple for winter and I can't believe I had never had it all this while. I have only one bomber jacket. I actually have two. One in grey and one in something like colorful, but I don't have a black one. Black just goes on with everything, right? So having a black one on hand would be like so useful. Anytime you're going out, you can just slip it on anything and look good. And especially this one, so comfortable, very properly insulated, keeps you warm. And I'm saying it keeps you warm because especially with all the light and everything, wearing all these winter clothes and it feels so hot. So everything I've placed order, I ordered medium because I usually just wear medium, but this jacket specifically medium was a little tight. I mean, I could fit the zip but it was not as comfortable, so I went ahead and bought the large. By the time like everything else got delivered, I could return this and I took a larger size as well. So this I got in large. So jackets probably you'll have to be like a little mindful about the size. Although online it was like 42, but still it was tight. I'm like generally it's 34 only is fine for me, but 42 was still tight. So probably there's like measurements issue or something, but this is large and is perfect for me. I really like it, and also it does not break your bag. Usually bomber jackets are so freaking expensive. It starts from like 5,000 to like 20 or even more, and I'm like, I don't want to spend so much, dude. And this is, I'm sure it is under 1,000. I don't remember exactly, but I like this one. Okay, the next one, again a plain sweatshirt, but now in blue. Blue is super cool. The sleeve of this is quite different though. Online, I thought it kind of looked like crop, but it's not like a crop sweatshirt. It's, you know, full length. I just feel like this kind of model, it's too boring. The peachier one I wore before this was like actually perfect because it had that band in the bottom. But this kind of tops kind of like hug in a weird way, and I don't like it. But and the sleeve of this is also like you have a sleeve and then you have a full sleeve. It's okayish, not my favorite though. I actually thought I liked this one the most, but I don't like this the most. It's from Only. Okay, this is the next one. It's basically like a long coat, like a trench coat kind of thing. Not sure when I'll wear this in Hyderabad. You know, it's not that thick as well. It's a little heavy. It will definitely keep you warm, but it's not like super thick where you just have to wear it like in extreme cold conditions. You can kind of pull this off, I think, in Hyderabad as well. And I really like how this looks, especially when it looks, when it is open and this outfit like this. It kind of looks super cool. I don't have like a long jacket. I never bought one because I never kind of needed one. And now I'm actually going somewhere, so I might need one. So I bought one. And I like the material. It's comfortable. It's soft. I like the length. I like the sleeve. I like the color as well. And I'm definitely keeping this one. It looks cute, very cute, and the color is so cute as well. It's olive green. Okay, so this is the next one, and I got another bomber jacket, but it's pink, and I really like this one. So this one I did not have the time to exchange it and get a bigger size. So this is medium, and this is what I'm telling you. Like, it's kind of, it'll fit, but it's not as comfortable. So I probably will just take a large in this one as well because I really like the color and like how it looks, especially with like these jeans and this top. I feel like everything is looking good. I don't know why it does not want to fit though. Which idiot put this on the opposite side? This jacket is made for left-handers, not right-handers. So this is what I mean. It's a little tight, so like once you lift and do that, it kind of like, you know, stays like this because it's a little tight. So large would be proper, and this one even has a hood. So the black one does not have a hoodie. I don't know why. I'm a person of, I don't like hoods. I feel like it just makes my head so heavy, my neck so heavy, and I don't like it. But this one has hoodie and super cute. I feel like I'm going like on a trek or something with this hoodie. Hi, hello. Anyways, moving on. Okay, I think these have to be the most comfiest pants I ever wore. Super soft, man, like from outside also, inside also. So these are like that furry kind of pajamas. I just want to try them so that they'll, you know, keep you warm, but you'll also be like cozy. I, especially in winters, I usually tend to wear like long pajamas more than shorts because, you know, it's cold, right? So I wanted to try if this actually will keep me warm as well, but it's also comfortable as well. Because when track pants are thick, it annoys me so much. I feel like I'm suffocating. But this one is actually quite soft and quite comfortable. It's so cozy. I mean, like, I wish you could touch this. It just feels so good. I actually do not have any hopes for this one. I don't know why. Just in my mind, it's like probably something, one of those gimmicky ones. I don't know, just I had that in mind. But it's coffee soft. Okay, so the next one I have is this tracksuit kind of thing. It's a sweatshirt quartz kind of thing. Super cute. It's basic. It seems kind of like very old trendy, but it's always in. You can rock these pieces anywhere. Like just you're going out for a casual day, you can wear this. You look super cute. You can wear this to a workout. You can wear this to a park. You can wear this to a, you know, breakfast. You can wear this anywhere, and it's super comfortable as well. Again, this also, the pant is a little tight on me, so I probably should go a size up. But if I go a size up for my pant, the top will probably be loose. It's actually not that uncomfortable. It's just I'm so used to wearing like loose clothes, so much comfy clothes, that if something is a little tight, I'm like, I don't want it to be so tight. But it's actually, you know, super cute. I like the fit. I like how it looks. It's basic, it's affordable, and I can pair the pant with different things. I can pair the top with different things, so it's multi-purpose as well. Okay, so this is the last one, and this is something very different, and I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe at all, which is like this turtleneck, full sleeve, this length. So it's basically a top. It has like a huge slit in the side. It'll definitely look a lot more better with the more slimmer jeans and not mom jeans. It just makes everything look a lot different. But I don't know how I feel about it. I kind of like it, I kind of don't like it. So I think I'll leave this on you. So you guys decide whether I need to keep this or not. And yeah, this is the final piece. In terms of winter, it's kind of cute. Turtleneck, full hands, the length, especially if you can, wear long boots, black tights and long boots also will look super cute on this. The length is not like full, it's, ankle length. And I actually thought initially when I saw this on the website, I thought it was a dress, but then I saw properly again and I realized it's a top and I wanted to try it. I think it's cute, but I don't know. So let me know in the comments whether I should keep this one or not. The material of this is not that thick. It's like normal regular cotton t-shirt kind of material. So yeah guys, that's it for the video. Those are all the pieces I purchased. You can also shop from Amazon Winter Collection. All the products will be linked in the description box. Do check it out, and thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, then make sure like and subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my